For those of you with artistic ability, the Apple Pencil can allow you to create some quite impressive and detailed drawings and sketches. My limited artistic ability makes it very difficult to fully demonstrate this, but the pencil does have the subtlety and the range to create detailed sketches, illustrations and pictures if you have that kind of ability and if you take your time over it. There are several videos on YouTube of incredibly talented artists using the Apple Pencil on an iPad to create unbelievable drawings and images, and please do share anything that you've created yourself with the Connected Falkirk team, as we would love to see your work and share that more widely too. Just by changing the thickness and opacity of the pencil, I can add these little bits of shading to make the ball look more three-dimensional and realistic, and hopefully you can see the flexibility that the Apple Pencil gives you when using it on the screen. You can of course zoom in on particular aspects of the drawing and really fine tune where the ink begins and ends and rub out any little mistakes that you might have made.